Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Retina Clear Vision Support Supplement Review. So it might be wondering, what is the Retina Clear that you may be hearing online or seeing online? So Retina Clear is a dietary supplement marketed to support eye health, retinal function, visual clarity, and protection against age-related vision changes. Now, according to the official website here, it contains a blend of 15 vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and botanical extracts, including lutein, zeaxanthin, bilberry extract, and astaxanthin, vitamin A, C, and E, and zinc, and a lot more. Now, the manufacturer states that the supplement is produced in a US-based FDA-registered GMP-certified facility and is non-GMO and plant-based. Now, these are claims in their website. Now, according to the manufacturer here, Retina Clear works by applying antioxidants and nutrients that help protect retinal cells from oxidative stress, blue light exposure, while supporting circulation overall eye function. The company states that these ingredients are intended to help reduce eye fatigue, support sharper vision, and promote long-term retinal health. Now, to use Retina Clear here, the official instructions recommend taking one capsule twice daily with food and a full glass of water. The manufacturer advises taking the supplement consistently as part of your daily routine and not exceeding the recommended dosage. The official website offers several package options, including one bottle for around like $69, three bottles for like $59 per bottle, and six bottles for like $49 per bottle. Multi-bottle packages include free shipping, and purchases are backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. Prices and promotions may change over time, so you may need to check their website. Now, that's essentially what the Retina Clear is and how it actually works. It basically combines vitamins, minerals, and other more, and plant extracts intended to support eye health and retinal function. Now, since this is a health-related supplement, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before use is highly recommended, especially if you have any eye conditions or you're already taking certain medications alongside with this one. But that's about it. For this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.